Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. A while ago, I took a poll on my Instagram and I asked if you guys wanted to see longer tutorials, and it was unanimously yes. So I'm going to start with this one. So this is going to be a warm brown eyeshadow look. I sped up the process, so this is at a faster pace, which you can definitely slow down if you need to, but I really didn't edit out any of the things that I'm doing. So this is concealer, and this is how long it takes to get concealer on, right? Then I'm going in with the transitional color. As I always mention, that is the color that is closest to your skin tone, and that's basically going to set down your makeup and not your makeup, your concealer, and it's going to be so that when you put your eyeshadow on, it doesn't get stuck. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm speaking correctly right now. Then I took a more precise brush, or actually I think it was the same brush that I did the transitional color, and I took a warm brown and I put that in the corners. And then I took a fluffy brush with a little bit more of the same warm brown color, and I just started to do windshield wiper motions on my eyelid, and you can see how this blends. Blending is so important when it comes to eyeshadow and really any makeup. So you just go back and forth, and you could just see how it just really smooths out. And this is really thanks to the concealer that is on my lid. You could use a primer if you prefer, and it's also thanks to that transitional color, because if I didn't put that transitional color down first, anywhere that I tried to blend or anywhere that I tried to put down this warm brown eyeshadow, it would just get stuck there and it wouldn't blend as it is now. I'm not adding any more product now. As you can see, I'm just going back and forth and just doing literal windshield wiper motions. Makeup should not hurt. This should not hurt. Then I'm going to use the ROXDOLL Cosmetics Pop of Pigments. This is my cosmetic line. The link is down below. And I'm using French Roast on the outer corner of my eye because I wanted it to keep that brown, that true brown color, but I wanted it to have like a pop of pigment. And that's why they're called Pop of Pigments. And then I'm going in with another ROXDOLL Cosmetic Pop of Pigment. This one is in Hazelnut, and I just feel like it really complements this eyeshadow look that I was going for. I like to use my finger, but you can definitely use a brush, a flat brush, a fluffy brush. You can use whatever you want. You could wet the brush if you want more of like a metallic-y kind of shine. These are really versatile. You could put them on your face. You could put them anywhere. Okay, now I'm going in with the Almay. This is their tinted moisturizer. It does not have SPF in it, but I like to use tinted moisturizer in replace of foundation. This was sent to me complimentary to review. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's very blotchy, but I did get a very dark shade because I like to be tinted and I don't want to look like Pee-wee Herman when I put a skin tint on. And I like to use this, as I had said, in replace of foundation. So it does give me a little bit of a bronze look. I am going to go in with concealer under my eye, which I'm going to do for a bit now. And then for some reason, I didn't do the rest of my face on camera, so I'm going to tell you guys as I'm blending out this concealer under my eye what I did. So I did go in with setting powder under my eye after my concealer was all blended. I went in with a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of contour on my cheeks. Definitely blush. I love blush. And then I also took the Pop of Pigment, the hazelnut, and I put that on my cheeks just to kind of bring the whole look together. And then I did a little tiny bit of eyeliner on top, and then I did my mascara. I did my brows. I am going to have a whole brow tutorial up because that was asked for. And then I always carve out my contour. So I'll take a lighter shade and I'll go underneath where I put the contour and I just like really sharpen it up. It's not for everybody, but I like it. And then this is the end result. My hair is cracking me up. You guys know I have curly hair, naturally curly hair, and I blew it out and it just looks so funny in the back. It looks like a ducktail, but I'm trying to not show you that. But this is the end result. Let me know what you guys think. It's something really soft and natural, and I hope that this tutorial is more what you guys had in mind. Let me know down below if you want to see more videos like this or if you like this shorter, more sped up ones. I love you all so much. Thank you. I'm sorry, this is like so close to my face. I have to just acknowledge that. It is so close in my face. Oh, and I also just put like a lip oil on, like a lip oil, and then I put the Pop of Pigment on top of the lip oil, again, to just kind of bring everything together. You can just see on my cheeks. You can see my face. It's just such a pretty, the Pop of Pigments are just so pretty. I love them. And again, the link is down below if you guys want to check them out and support me. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.